All right, to get started, we're going to open up the App Store. It's the blue icon there in about the middle of the screen. We'll click that. We are looking for the app called MyFitnessPal. I've already got it brought open here, but if you need to search for it, just type in MyFitnessPal. Hit search. It's the blue icon there. You're going to click install if you haven't already. For me, I'm just going to click open. First thing they are going to blast you with is the opportunity to give them money. The free version of this app is more than good enough. So up there at the top right, it's almost like they don't want you to see it. At the top right, there's an X above those little boiled eggs. I'm just going to click that because I'm just going to use the free version of this app. Then you get a little brief tutorial about this app, a faster way to log it all, it says. So tap the add button to log food, weight, exercise, and more. If you want to lose weight but don't know how, this app is like having a dietitian in your pocket. Very powerful for that. So let's look at how it works. I'll click got it. The first thing that you will want to do in this app is to set up a goal for yourself. That way you know how many calories you need to be consuming on a given day in order to either maintain your weight, lose weight, or gain weight. So to do that, we're going to tap the little icon at the top left of the screen. So that brings us into our profile screen, and now we're going to click Edit Profile. And now from here at the very bottom, I'm going to update my goals. So where it says goals, that's where I'm going to tap. All right, so you can enter your starting weight, your current weight, and then your goal weight. What do you want to have your goal be? And that is going to dictate how many calories the app is going to recommend you consume. However, also based upon your weekly goal. How many pounds are you comfortable with losing in a week? We're going to dial this back to a pound. We want to go slow and steady. Pick your activity level. Lightly active, not very active, active, or very active. And then you can skip all of this other stuff because the app will automatically log all of that stuff and give you what you need on the next screen. But we need to go back. So at the top left of the screen, there's an arrow. I'll tap that. We need to go back once again and back a third time. All right, so now we are back on the home page and I can see that my calorie goal is 2,590 calories per day. Pretty lofty. So that means I can eat that much and still lose a pound per week. If I tap that, it will give me a breakdown of my daily view. So however many calories I've eaten for each meal. And then if I tap where it says day view, I can change that to the week view as well. And so as you log food, that information is going to populate here. I will tap the X button in order to go back to the home page, the top left of the screen. And now I just had breakfast, so I'm going to hit the plus button down there at the bottom of the middle to log my breakfast food. So you have a couple of different ways that you can log food. Normally, the way that I log it is by using the search, which is the blue button that says log food, or you can use the barcode scan if you're using prepackaged food and you want to scan the barcode. We're just going to log the food using the search method, so I'll tap that icon. And then you can just simply search for the name of your food. I had a Fit Crunch bar for breakfast. So it did find it. It is that first one on the list, Robert Irvine Fit Crunch. I'm going to hit the blue plus icon there to the right in order to log that food as breakfast. And you can see there it says food logged. If we tap the X at the top left of the screen, we're going to go back to that home screen and I can see I've got now 2,380 calories remaining. And if I tap into that, it will show me my breakdown for the day. Breakfast, 210 calories. So if you are looking to lose weight and you want an easy way to track your food, I think MyFitnessPal certainly fits the bill for that. Now, if you are interested in what you get for your hard-earned dollars, if you want to go premium, I'm going to tap that at the top of the screen and review that information. With the premium version, you can barcode scan, so you can skip the search and you can log faster, so that barcode scanning is a premium feature. You get custom macro tracking, so if you're looking to consume more carbs versus protein and fat or vice versa, that might be an important feature for you. And then last but not least, I despise advertisements. I understand the need for them, but if you're like me and you don't want an ad to pop up anytime that you're in this app, that's another thing that the premium version will give you. And so you can pay for that either monthly at the rate of $19.99 per month or yearly at $79.99. And they do offer a free 1-month trial. You can activate that by clicking the blue bar at the bottom of the screen. I think that you should open the app, give it a try, see if you like the free version, and then if you find that you would like those extra features like barcode scanning and macro tracking and getting rid of the advertisements, if you think that that would be worth it, then do that at that time. However, it's a free app. Download it, try it out, nothing to lose there. Hope that you enjoyed this video, hope that you learned a little something, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.